Close your eyes for a second. Picture a chalkboard full of prime. Now picture a pulse, a restless itch that asks for act. Two very different cravings. What if I told you they speak the same language? Stay with me for 3 minutes. When I taught number theory to undergrads, I watched patterns light up faces, primes, residues, modular loops, pure structure. Later, working in sex research clinics, I watched another pattern, the loop of urge, act, guilt, repeat. I started to map one onto the other. That map changed everything. For one student, I'll call Ken. He was 20, studying math, trapped in a cycle he called too much, too often.
He joked about rear entry and campus myths.
But he wanted science in result, not shame. So we invented a lab protocol on the fly. A little math, a little myth, a lot of real life. Step 1, prime scheduling. Pick a set of prime dates. Real prime numbers, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Use them as your allowance days. Not forever, just to break the daily loop. The mind likes rules, the body learns rhythm. Ken began to see urges as signals arriving on a calendar. The urge on a composite day, then a gentle, not yet. On a prime day, he could choose mindfully. That simple partition cut his compulsion into manageable chunks. Step 2, modular delay. When an urge hits, to create a small congruence clock. Wait, 11 minutes or 13? Or follow the 3-5-8 breath pattern I taught him. Inhale 3, hold 5, exhale 8. Count quietly in your head like you're computing a residue. Urge minus delay, calm yourself. Calm yourself. It's not magic, it's time plus attention. Step 3, replace with proof. Not punishment. Swap the immediate action for a tiny math ritual. Solve one quick puzzle, write a 2-line proof, or run a 7-minute sprint. The brain rewards completion. Replace habit with a small, satisfying closure. Ken found Fibonacci, breathing soothing. I found it keeps the nervous system steady. You don't need to be a genius, just curious. Now, a little folklore. At our university, there's an old gossip about a recluse, lumber theorist who locked his desires in a cipher he called the prime sigil. Legend says he only unlocked pleasure on prime birthdays. Cute, right? Urban myth or not, rituals change behavior. They give the psyche a story to follow. Experiment ideas for the lab nerd in you. Run a single subject trial. Baseline your urges for a week. Then implement prime scheduling for 2 weeks. Long time, intensity, 1 to 10, and trigger, compare. Draft a mini paper. Methods, results, discussion. Ethics, yes. Respect consent and privacy. If you're researching yourself, be honest with a clinician or supervisor. A final practical note, curiosity is a superpower, but compulsion can be clinical. If urges overpower your life, seek campus counseling, sexual health services, or a clinician who understands compulsive sexual behavior. Use tools, pre-commitment app, walking software, accountability partners, and keep a secret. Pattern hunting is sexy in its own right. When you learn the code, you get to rewrite it. Go test a small routine tonight. Choose a prime day. Set a timer of 13 minutes. Next time, the urge, not. Solve one puzzle before you act. Collect data. Be your own gentle scientist.